A dream, a goal. Everyone in this world has one. Ace the next geometry test, pass the DMV entrance exam, build a family, go to Hawaii, or maybe just survive the next day. Our world is built off of dreams. Without goals, we live, but we don't feel quite alive. There are monsters and darkness in our world, but there is also good. And at the end of the day, if we want our world to be a better place than where we began, shouldn't we work to protect the good already here? One piece of good is nature. Every breath you take, possibly even your favorite foods. From what? The oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, and water cycles, from plants and photosynthesis, from the oceans and the sun. We live because nature lives.
Scaffolding, if you will, something for them to hang on to and grow in a way where they care very deeply about the earth and about nature. So I think that is the ultimate goal.
But what if I tell you evil is infiltrating the good? What if I tell you I have a dream to preserve the good? What if I tell you many people share this dream, maybe are even working towards making this happen? What if I tell you most people envision this better world, but don't know how to make this happen? What would you do?
What can we do? The plan is simple, really. Social cooperation is the working together of many individuals towards a common purpose, a common goal, to achieve a common dream. Does that sound familiar? Well, essentially, no matter how small or how insignificant, the actions one individual undertakes, if those actions are repeated and echoed by every single member of his or her community, by enough people with enough passion, it will become something so much bigger, so much greater. Let's hear from some experts to see what they have to say on this.
I would say volunteers are really the foundation of our organization, absolutely. I feel like in that way we're able to really amplify our impact. You know, we couldn't get very much done if it was just a few of us out here working, but when we have 20 or 30 volunteers at a time, we're able to get so much work done.
Yes, teamwork makes the dream work.
Exactly.
Being comfortable working with other people that are from different backgrounds, that have different educational levels. So being able to work with a lot of different people.
Yeah, teamwork.
Teamwork.
What can we kids and other people do to help nature?
Oh, I love that question. I think helping nature and helping people are really important for this, right? It's all hands on deck. You don't have to be a certain age. You don't have to have a certain degree to want to get involved in this.
So let's start early. Let's start strong. But also let's start together to make this earth, to make our world a better and greener place.
I think it is incredibly important because we're caring for ourselves, and we are also caring for the land. So humans have to team up with nature if we ultimately want to help protect it. It's a relationship. It's teamwork. It's between humans and nature.
Yeah, teamwork makes the dream work.